Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2023 Honda Trail 125. This ABS equipped Trail just arrived with only 44 miles on the odometer. Showroom condition, 10 months left on the factory warranty. It's got the 4-speed automatic clutch, electric start, fuel injection, ABS brakes. It's got a center stand and a backup Kickstarter. Come on by and make your nostalgia dreams come true with this awesome Trail 125. Just $49.99. Save about over almost $1,500 off the price of a new one. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.